Hello, Avon. Hello, Ava. Hello, Ava. Hello, Brandy. Hello, Athene. Hello, Enzo. Hello, Lilac. Hello, Ryan. Ryan's very slow. 我的脸好像又变圆了耶。Okay, everybody, let's because I non-stop eating for like 3 hours. Nobody is asking me what I eat. Oh, I eat those. I really love all the different nuts. Very oily and they make me really big, fat. Yeah. No, I should not
Can I
say
use
that.
the washroom real quick?
Okay, of course, Potato King. Okay, everybody, do you want to go to the washroom? How about you just go right now? Yeah? Okay. All of you, go. Lilac, go. See first, okay? So first of all, we're gonna do what? We're gonna calculate first, right? Everybody, that's the same thing. We do it every time. So this time we're gonna do a little bit harder time, but just a little bit bigger number. So don't worry about it. I believe everybody could save it, no problem at all. So everybody just get your paper and pencil ready. So we're going to have 5 minutes calculation test first. Okay, everybody, 1, 2, go. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Everybody, please put on your pencil and pen or anything, paper or whatever. Just finished, everybody. Okay, I'm going to ask every one of you, please send how many questions you did. To me, yes, of course, to me, okay? Don't send it to Potato King or Thinny or whatever. 艾玛加油 Okay, Enzo, good job. Eva, good job. Brandy. Potato, 你那个上厕所上那么长时间。Okay, oh, Athene, don't cry. It's okay. Ava, Evan, very good. Everybody, actually, this set of the question is hard, okay? I'm very glad everybody doing very good. Okay, actually more than great. Okay, last week we have learned, yeah, people cannot see you, Emma, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, last week we have learned the multiple distribution, right? So we have learned some harder questions and 你作业做完了吗
No.
哎呀，有些小朋友真是一点都不自觉。
哈哈。
Okay, 1 second. I just to go get last week's homework. Okay. 1 second. My computer is very, very slow. Very, very slow. Okay, I'm going to talk about the question we have it for the last week, okay? So I believe I have sent you a set of the easier question and a set of the harder question, right? I put a harder question, 难题 on top of it. I don't know how many of them noticed that. So you must have understand the Chinese, so you know it is 难题, okay? So don't worry about it, everybody. We're going to discuss these ones together in the class, okay? So Brandy, first question is pretty easy, right? So 8xy minus 4x, correct? These ones are pretty easy. So I think the hardest one is those ones, right? So I just want to emphasize a little bit with you. Okay, by the way, Potato King, I just want to ask you, did you get better, your throat and everything, like the allergy thing?
Yeah.
Okay, can you sing a song for us?
What?
No, because I think your voice is getting better. Last week is like
Yeah.
this week is way better, right, Brandy? Let's welcome Potato King to sing a song for us. Potato King almost spilled out. Okay, I can pick up some. Old MacDonald had a fun. 1, 2, go. Old MacDonald had a farm is not starting with Old MacDonald had a 1, 2, go. You don't know how to sing this song?
Oh my god，他的房一定要
Come on, Ryan. We're gonna cheer for you because your voice is back. Potato King, huh? Potato King 没了。Potato King 躲起来了。
You would rather be sick again.
Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So 5 over 6 times 18x. Hi, Potato King. Are you ready for this one? So we have 18 divided by 6, right? 18 divided by 6 equals what? Equals 3. So 5 times 3 equals 15x plus 4 times 5, because 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20, so 20y. Get it? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 3 over 7 times 14x. So 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6x plus 28 divided by 7 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. So 12y. Okay, so 1 over 6. 1 over 6 times x plus y. Ava, can you tell me how to do this one? Ava 也掉，我以为 Ava 也掉下去了，跟 Potato King 一样。Okay,
my
well,
iPad?
Ava, I didn't ask you to sing Old MacDonald had a fun for us. Why you're dropping yourself?
My iPad thing is really cracked. So that's
Okay, so let's
so that's divided by 6.
No,
is
it's actually 1 over 6 times
Why
x
am I not
plus 1 over 6 times y. Huh?
You blocked me from the appearance.
Yeah, so that's why it's 1 over 6x plus 1 over 6y. Get it? So all I need to do just to do the arrow like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all you really need to do, because if you divided it anyways, it would have been 1 over 6.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so now, Potato King, what are you eating? You're rather eating and not singing a song for us. I cannot believe that. That's
Oh my god.
Chocolate
Oh
waffle.
my god. My year is not existing anymore. Oh my god. Okay. Brandy, can you tell me 4 over 5 times 10x plus 100x equals what?
8x plus 75y.
Very good. AX plus 75y. Very good. Because 10 is times divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8x. So 100 divided by 5 equals 24. Sorry, 20. 20. 20 times 4 equals what? 20.
80.
Yes, very good. Thank you. You find out. So it's not a 不算你错啊. Enzo, 1 over 15 times 30x plus 60y equals what?
3x.
30 divided by 15 equals what?
2x.
Plus
4x or y.
4y. Very good. Okay. Eva, 你不要变成猫，挺好的。我跟你讲，哎，Cindy，你看他自从变成那个什么人以后，我都不喜欢他了。
I know, I'm kidding you.
哎呀，不要 ，no. Potato King back to the normal person，快点，啊，Cindy，快点回来。I like，我不喜欢看到假人，我喜欢看到真人。我喜欢看到真人。No，我不上课了，我罢课。快点，哎，Cindy，快点，你再不弄过来，我告诉你妈妈去了。我说，你看，因为你，我们都没有办法上课。快点。好 OK. Everybody, so let's take a look at this one. 3 over 4 times 40. Lilac, thank you. So 3 over 4 times 40 equals what, Lilac?
3 over. Is that
Yeah.
Oh,
40
so for,
divided by 4 equals what?
for 10.
Yeah, very good. So 10 times 3 equals what?
30.
Very good. So 30x plus 80 divided by 4 equals what?
80 divided by 40.
80 divided by 4. 80 divided by 4.
Oh, 4.
20. Right?
20.
20 times 3 equals 60. So 60y. Violet, 你要加油啊. Okay, so everybody, this is, I just to review this one. Okay, so number 2 is a part like -5 minus 4, -6 times 2 over 3. This part, we didn't really get through it, but I really want to go through this with you all together today, okay? This part, you're going to be testify for all of them. You're going to use them for the entire grade 8 all the way to grade 12, okay? There are a lot of students starting to feel confused when we have the negative number. Okay, so if we have, yeah, sorry, it's my dog. So -5 minus 4 equals what? Okay, so first of all, we have what? Okay, I'm sorry, I need to close it. So we have 3 minus 1 first, okay? I think everybody know how to do 3 minus 1, right? Does anybody know how to do 3 minus 1? Okay, how to do it? Of course, equals 2, right? So now, oh my God, what happened? So this one is actually happened like that, okay? So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, okay? So when we do minus, everybody, I want you to look at this, okay? This is very, very important. If you understand this one, all the question won't be any problem at all for all of you. 一定要认真看好. So you have 3 minus 1. So this is 3, okay? When you minus, you move from the right to left. You move this way. So 3 minus 1, 1 is 1 step. So that's why equals 2. Get it? So if I have 1 plus 3, so everybody, so this is 1 plus 3. So when you do plus, it's moving from left to right. 1, 2, 3. So that's why equals 4. Get it, everybody? So this is very important, okay? When you do minus, going this way, and when you go plus, it's going this way. So let's take a look at this one. So we have -5 minus 4. So here's -5. So this is -4, this is -6, this is -7, this is -3, this is -2. So something like that. We're starting with -5. So I want to ask you, -5 minus 4 is moving from here or moving from there? Yes, moving from here, right? From right to left. Okay, so if it is like that, how many steps we're going to count? 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I know this one's not being made. It's okay. We can just jump first and put the number there. So -8 and -9. So see, the answer is -9. Get it? Okay, so we're going to do another one. -2 minus 1. So we're starting with -2. So Potato King, we're moving from where to there?
From 2 to 3. -2.
This one, right? So
Yeah.
that's why we're moving 1 step. So that's why it's -3. Get it? Okay, so this is very, very easy to make mistakes, especially when you have bigger numbers. For instance, we have today, we're going to learn the algebra. So x minus 5 equals -6. Okay, so we know that if we want to calculate x, we move this one over here, right? So x equals what? -6 plus 5, correct? So x equals -1. But a lot of students doesn't know that. Oh, they say -6 plus 5. What is that? I don't know. So we can have like that. This is -6. So plus is moving from left to right. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we stop here. So this is -5, -4, -3, -2, and -1. So that's why the answer is -1. Understand? Okay, so we're going to practice those questions here, okay? I'm going to make some questions here. 1 second. I'm going to share the screen with you. 对呀，I think 你那么可爱的，为什么每次都给我看一只死熊猫呢？我不要看熊猫，OK，我要看真人。 Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. X plus 5 equals -1. Number 2, x minus 6 equals 2. And number 3, x plus 5 equals -7. Okay, so let's do these 3 questions together. So first of all, everybody, when we do the algebra, we want to put the variable, which is x, on the one side, and we want to put the number on the other side. Everybody understand? So if you have 2 variables, you put the variables together and put the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to move this one here. So let me ask you, Enzo, +5, you move it to the other side, it became what?
Positive.
5, you move it to the other side, you became
Negative.
very good. It became -5. So the answer is x equals -1 minus 5. So we first find -1. So because it's minus, so we're moving from right to left. So 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer. So -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So x equals -6. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, Avon, I want to ask you, so -6, move it to the other side, it became what?
+6.
Very good. So 2 plus 6 equals what? Equals 8. Very good. Okay. So now let's take a look at this one. So Ava, +5, move it to the other side, equals what?
-5.
Very good. So x equals -7 minus 5, right? So equals what?
So equals negative. Negative.
Let's do this one, okay? So this is -7, right? And it's -5, so it's moving from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can do that later. So -8, -9, -10, -11,
-12.
Yes, very good. Understand, everybody? Understood? Okay, so if you understood, I'm going to give you some questions to practice, okay? So first one, yeah. X minus 7 equals -2. Number 2. X plus 2 equals -7. Number 3. X plus x equals -4. Number 4. X minus 7 equals -12. Number 5, x minus 8 equals -12. Number 6, x minus 9 equals -12. Number 7, x minus 10 equals -12. Okay, everybody, 7 questions, okay?
Want is
不要，你就在上面吃吃喝喝，不在这。
soggy.
嗯，拿着，我不吃，我不吃，我不吃，我不吃。
eat. Okay,
Yeah, you can eat.
I go now.
What?
艾玛又在我们家混吃混喝。
Ew.
Can we send it to you?
Yes, please. Even the fish 已经发给我了。
We're back to annoy you. We're back to annoy you. It's like a Polaroid love.
妈妈在上课。
It's
Emma，妈妈在上课。
Old MacDonald had a cow. Maman, where's my eraser? Tu ne veux pas? Je ne veux pas.
No.
Now I wanted my mousy pink one.
Go.
Okay, so I have received Evans and I have received Brandy's. Okay, very good. Just a couple differences. Okay, some questions are different.
Don't eat. When you
Okay, I'm going to explain. Okay, so first, second,
Hey, I just sent you it.
Okay, yeah, Potato King just sent it to me. So first of all, let's take a look at this one, okay? So x minus 7 equals -2. So we're going to move this, sorry, I'm going to use a different color. So -7 over here. So x equals -2 plus 7 equals what? Equals 5. Very good. Okay, so how do we do this one? When you find out that positive number is bigger than the negative, you can just move it here. It became 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, everybody know how to do it, right? Or you can just using my number line way, right? So -2 and plus 7, moving from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, so -2 move over there became -2. So x equals -7 minus 2. So Enzo, can you tell me the answer?
-2 minus -7 minus 2 equal 9.
-9. Okay,
Negative.
-9. Very good. Okay, so now Potato King, I want to ask you number 3 equals what? So x plus x equals what?
X over to the power of 2.
Yeah, no, it's x plus x, Potato King. So 2x.
Oh, 2x, yeah.
Get it, everybody? So 1x plus 1x equals how many x? 2x. Okay, so x equals -2.
2. Yeah.
Get it, everybody? So 2x equals 4, x equals 2, right? So 2x equals -4, x equals -2. Okay, so next one, Athene, can you tell me how to do x minus 7 equals -12?
Hello?
So first of all, we need
Hello?
to move, yeah, can you hear me?
Okay. The -7 is +7.
Very good. So
And
x
then plus
equals
7.
-12 plus 7, right?
And then so -12 plus 7 is 5?
-5.
-5. Oh, I forgot to put the negative.
Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. Lilac, can you tell me?
Put the 8 So positive 8. So x equals negative 12 plus 8.
So equals what?
4.
Negative 4.
Oh, negative 4.
Okay, get it? Okay, so let's take a look at number 6. Eva, can you tell me? So x minus 9 equals negative 12. So x
So-
equals.
Turn the 10 into a positive,
Mhm.
and then 12 minus 10, negative 12 plus positive 10.
Not even 10. So number 6 plus 9, right?
Negative plus equals is positive 9,
Mhm.
and then negative 12 plus positive 9 equals negative 21. So x
No,
equals
no, no. See, okay, so this is negative 12, right? But Eva, let's do, so it's plus 9, so it's moving
Oh,
from,
then it's
it's plus.
then it's
So plus is
neg-
moving.
negative. It's negative 3 negative.
Yes,
3.
you're right, negative 3. Get it, everybody? So from moving from left to right, you're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so negative 11, negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, and negative 3. Get it? Okay, last one. I'm going to call Brandy. Okay, so x minus 10 equals negative 12. So x equals what?
Negative 2.
You need to tell me negative 12 plus 10, right? So x equals negative.
Negative 12 plus 10 equals negative.
Very good. Okay, so now, boys and girls, we're going to move forward to the one which is a little bit harder, okay? So, everybody, we have learned that if we have, oh, where's my pencil? Okay, so if we have x over 4 equals 10, x equals 10 times 4, right? Because it's x divided by 4 equals 10, so x equals 40, right? And if we have 2 times x, which is 2x equals 40, so x equals 40 divided by 2, x equals 20, right? So when you move the thing on the other side, it's always opposite. When you divide, you became times. When you have times, you became divide, right? Okay, so everybody, we're going to take a look at a couple questions here, and I wish you can do this with no problem, okay? So 2x equals 30, that's very easy. So 2x equals negative 30, okay? So number 3, x over 4 equals 50. Number 4, x over 4 equals negative 50. Okay, number 5, x over negative 4 equals 50. Number 6, 2x over 3 equals 10. Number 7 will be the hardest one. 2x over 3 equals negative 10. Okay, everybody, 7 questions. Try your best, okay? If you don't know how to do the last questions, last a couple questions, totally fine. I'm going to explain it, okay? So your turn. Try your best.
Do we send it to you?
Yeah, please send it to me. I have received one answer from Potato King. And yeah, okay, and that's it. Oh, even the fish has sent it to me. Oh, what is wrong? Okay, and even the fish has sent it to me. Okay, so the rest of you, you need to be hurry, okay? Pretty sure all wrong. Even the fish is so funny. No, you should not say that. You need to trust yourself, okay? Fish. You're a very good fish already, you know? Fish can only swim, but you can do so many math already. Oh, and you know what? Fish can be eaten. Pretty delicious. Potato King, what are you doing? You're not even laugh. Okay, good. Yeah. Very, very. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one. So 2x equals 30. So I want to, let's not, about dead fish. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this one. 2x equals 30. So Enzo, can you tell me? Equals what?
Equals 30 divided 2.
Okay, so 30 divided by 2, x equals what? 30 divided by,
15.
very good. Okay, so 2x equals negative 30, Brandy, x equals what?
Negative 30 divided by 2x.
Nope, divided by 2, right? So because 2x equals negative 30. So 30 equals what? So 2x equals negative 30. So negative 30 divided by 2 equals negative 50.
Negative 15.
Very good. Okay. So next one. X divided by 4 equals 50, so X equals what? Of course, equals 40 times 5. Sorry, 50 times 4 equals what? Equals 200. Right? So X equals negative 15 times 4 equals what? Equals negative 200. Get it, everybody? Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So X divided by negative 4 equals 50. So how do we do it? That's the same thing, okay? So X equals, you just pretend this negative is not existing. So X divided by 4 equals what? 50 equals 200, right? Then you just add this negative sign. Get it, everybody? Just add this negative sign, okay? So this one's a little bit hard, okay? So 2x divided by 3 equals 10. We're not going to directly get x first, okay, everybody? We're going to first 2x equals what? 2x equals 30. Correct, Athene? Okay, so 2x equals 30, so x equals what? Equals 15. Get it? So you don't want to do it directly, but you can do it step by step. So 2x divided by 3 equals negative 10. So 2x equals what? Negative 30. So x equals what? Equals negative 15. So basically, number 6 and number 7 is the same as number 1 and number 2. Okay, Lilac, good job. You get all of them right. Very good. 可是我怎么觉得你少做了一道题？对，少做了一道题。Okay, and good job, Evan. The first couple questions you get it all right, okay? And Potato King, 你看第二题为什么错了，对不对？ Potato King, please take a look at, yeah, which one you're making mistake. Okay, so I think with my help, everybody understand a little bit better. So we're gonna do another sets of the 7 questions and I hope everybody get it right. Okay, so this time. And this time I'm going to ask you one by one to answer my questions, okay? So first one. Okay, everybody, 7 questions.
Like all the evils plus the other evils. Yeah. How do I know that it's a triangle and not like a square or something?
Triangle
The
has 3
square
lines,
plus
the square
together.
has 4 lines.
Square plus together equals 360. Oh, okay. Wait, but how do you know what type of triangle it is? Any triangle plus the other is 180. Oh. This is the actual equation. So the number of sides minus 2 times 180 equals this whatever angle it is. So a triangle has 3 sides. So 3 minus 1 equals 1 times 180. Pretty easy. Stop drawing.
Okay, everybody just do one by one, okay?
If I give them a I know.
那边说问一下. So first, you don't calculate it directly x, you just do the 2x first. So 2x equals what, Avon? 5 times 10 equals 50, right? So 2x equals 50, so x equals what? Get it? So don't try to get the x directly, just think about 2x first.
Wait, so if 2x equals 50,
So
x
x equals
also
25. Correct?
So it divides by 2.
Yeah, so 50 divided by 2 equals what? 50 divided by 2. 把50分成2份. Lilac, good job. Very good. Lilac, 但是第一题看看清楚啊，第一题 number 1。第一题看看清楚，你是不是打错了？我觉得。Hey, Ava has given me a lot of question mark. You need to believe in yourself. Doing very good, okay? It's just some easy questions, maybe you make mistakes. Let's just give everybody a little more time, just 1 minute, and I'm going to explain, okay?
Mom, what's a 12-agon?
Huh?
What's a 12-agon? Sure, Daisy.
没有 12-agon 呢，叫 12-agon 吗？
I don't know what it's called.
Okay, I have received answers.
Just write 12. He's not telling.
It's polygons.
So a 12-agon, like.
No. Yeah, so it's polygons.
it's
So
not
everybody,
polygon?
let's take a look at this one, okay? So x divided by 5. 15, sorry, x divided 15 equals 2. So x equals what? 2 times 15 equals 30. Okay, so next one, x divided by negative 15 equals 2. So x equals what? X equals negative 30. Okay, everybody. So 4x equals negative 60. So x equals negative 60 divided by 4. So everybody, remember I said when we're doing the times of or division, if you have the negative, don't worry about it. It's just a 60 divided by 4 equals what? Equals 15, and put a negative sign in front of it. Everyone understand? Okay, so 3x equals 75. Okay, 3x equals 75. So x equals what? 75 divided by 3 equals 25. Okay, so this one, I have already did it. So it's 225. So 2x equals 70. So x equals what? Equals 70 divided by 2 equals 35. Okay, so 2x divided by 9 equals what? 2x divided by 9 equals negative 10. So it's negative 90. So x equals negative 45. So 我跟你讲啊 ，Lilac 很搞笑的，就是这些题目呢都做对了，然后前面这两道呢就像错了两道，跟我这个题目一点没关系。加油啊 ！OK, so everybody understand? 有没有不会的 ？Lilac， 你是不是前面两道题好像做到别的题目去了，是不是？ I don't get it. Where did you get the numbers? Ava 你懂不懂 ？Eva 懂不懂 ？Eva understand? Athene, do you understand? Athene 好像在吃什么好吃的东西，你为什么不跟我分？Okay, so now last set, okay? 最后一套题了啊，然后我们要学其他东西了 ，okay? So everybody, so this time, before we do this question, I'm going to tell you, okay? So if you have negative 2 times negative 3, you're going to do just a 2 times 3 equals what? Ava?
So negative
Times
2
3
times negative 3. So 2
Yeah.
times 3
equals
is
what?
6. So it would equal, and then add a minus, and so it's negative 7.
You don't have to, okay? You don't have to. It's negative, negative. Everybody take a look at this one. Negative and negative, so plus together equals positive. Get it, everybody? Okay, see? So negative 2 times negative 3 equals positive 6. Negative 2 times 3 equals negative 6. And 2 times negative 3 also equals negative 6. Get it, everybody? Okay, I'll put it here, okay?
What now? Well, musically, I'm sorry. I'm thinking disturbing.
加油，小朋友们！加油啊，小朋友们！
S minus 2. So S minus 2 equals 2. 7. So S equals to 9. I don't know. Are you ready? Trying to bring it down.
Okay, I have received lilacs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lilac, 你好少做了一题。There's altogether 7 questions, and you give me the answer of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ava, good job. Potato King, you're all giving me 7. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to show you one question one by one. Okay, so x divided by -2 equals -3. So x equals -2 times -3 equals +6. X equals 3 times -4 equals -12. Okay, this one, -2 times x equals -4. So x equals -4 divided by -2. Okay, so that's the same thing. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So 1 and 1 is positive. So number 4, x equals 18 divided by -9 equals -2. So now this one, 2x equals -4 times -3 equals 2x equals +12. So x equals 6. Next one, 3x equals 4 times -6. So 3x equals -24. So x equals -8. 4x equals -8 times -6 equals +48. So 4x equals, sorry, x equals 12. OK，每个小朋友来检查一下，看看自己是不是都对了。如果有一个错了，把自己错的那个找出来。OK，so which part you're making a little bit mistakes?
No, actually, do the one. I literally gave you a call.
Okay, everybody understand? If you have any questions, you can ask me right now because we're moving forward to something else. Are you ready? 都会了吗？有不会的告诉我。都会啦，都看懂啦。OK，那等下作业不会，不要跟老师说我不会做啊。Okay, so I'm not going to accept it. Okay. Yeah, Ava, do you want to ask some question? No. No, Ava 突然不动了。Ava 突然不动啦。Ava 突然不动啦。Okay, everybody, can you still hear me? 那你们给我点声音呀，没有一个人有声音的。
Nah.
Okay, thank you. 哎呦，我以为我那个。Okay, so now let's take a look at something else. Okay, so we're going to learn something about the triangles and angles. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we're going to ask you a very simple question. Okay, so Brandy, what is triangles?
A shape with 3 sides.
Very good. One triangle has 3 sides and also have 3 what?
Angles.
Very good. Also have 3 angles. Okay, so 3 triangles have 3 angles and 3 sides. Okay, so we're gonna put Eva 掉出去. So we're gonna put this 3 triangles. Hello, Eva. Eva, where are you going?
No, kick me out.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this 3 parts is putting 3 categories. Okay, so all the angles which is smaller than 90 is called acute triangle because they have 3 acute angles. If a triangle has 1 right angles, we call this triangle right triangle. If one triangle has 1 obtuse triangle, which is bigger than 90 degrees, so we call this triangle obtuse triangles. Okay, so this one is typo, so it's angles. So any triangles with 1 obtuse angles, this triangle is being called obtuse triangles. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one, okay? So if you see 3 triangle sides are not equals to each other at all, we call it scalene triangles. If there are 2 sides are equals to each other, we call it isosceles triangles. If we have 3 sides are equals to each other, so we have 3 equal sides. Get it, everybody? Okay, so this is very important, okay? So we have acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangles. And we have scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangles. Okay, everybody got it? Okay, so if you, could you please take a notes right now? And you know which one is which, okay? Okay, everybody, please take notes, okay? So 3 kinds of different triangles, okay? Based on the angle differences, and 3 different triangles based on the sides differences. Okay, everybody, did you done taking notes? 有写好了吗? Okay, so if you finished, let's take a look at this one, okay? So let's take a look at number 1. Everybody, can you tell me what kind of triangle it is?
Is it a acute angle?
Okay, so this one is what? This one is first, we say it's acute triangles. Right, because every single angle is smaller than 90. So this one is 8 acute triangles. And plus, let's take a look at this one. So how about each line? Are they same or not the same? Not the same. I see Avon is nodding fish head. Not nodding, not nodding fish head is waving fish head. So that means each of them are not equals to each other. So that is no equal sides. So equals what? Scalene triangles. Okay, so acute triangles and a scalene triangles. Okay, so this is the first one. How about the second one? Second one,
Right.
right triangle. Very good. Right triangles. And how about the other one? For here, like for the sides. Equals what? Because these two lines are the same, right, everybody? So this is right
Isosceles?
isosceles. Very good, isosceles. Okay, so let's take a look at number 3. Number 3, so this one is bigger than 90 or smaller than 90? This is bigger than 90, so it's obtuse triangles. Okay, so obtuse triangles. And you can see these two lines are same to each other, so that's why it is a obtuse isosceles triangles. Understand? Okay, number 4, let's take a look at this one. Obviously, each of the line is the same. So let's take a look at the first one. Is it acute triangle, right triangle, or obtuse triangle?
Acute?
Very good, acute triangle. And also for the sides is what?
Equilateral?
Equilateral triangle. Very good, very good. Okay. Good job. So let's take a look at number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Okay, so this question is very tricky. So first of all, let me ask you. So we have 50, 65, and 65. Okay, so we have 50, 65, and 65. So equal. So 啊，让他关上门，让他关上门，快关上门。Okay, oh, 对，狗出来。Okay, everybody, 65 and 65, okay? So we have 65 and 65 on the side, so the two sides are the same. So we have what? We have this one as a acute triangle and also isosceles triangle, correct? Acute and isosceles. Correct, everybody? Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at number 6, okay? So 6, 7. 好，小朋友们，我们不用把每个单词都写出来啊。如果是 acute and isosceles，你就写 AI。OK，如果是 right and isosceles，你写 RI。如果是 obtuse and isosceles，你写 OI。Okay, so if it is acute and scalene, so you said AS. Okay, understand? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 5 questions, and I want you to do one by one and send it to me by chat.
有。
OK，我们每个小朋友把答案发给老师之前自己检查一下啊。Be a very careful kid. Okay, I have received all of your answer. Very good. OK，我们现在要感觉啊，这个小朋友发给我的都是密码，你知道吗？RSAAERI 什么什么。Everybody, it's like digital, like secret message. Like if your parents is looking at our homework, is gonna, what is that? So I said, no, you don't understand. This is a secret between my teacher and I, you know. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So first one is what? Is a right triangle, right? So we have R. Now let's take a look at this one. So each of the one is different, right? So it's RS. Correct? So let's take a look at the next one. So 60, 60, 60. So obviously it is a what? It's a acute triangle. And what? It's equilateral, so AE. Correct? Very good. So let's take a look at this one. This one's a right triangle. So R, and this one's isosceles, so it's RI. Okay, so next one. Obviously, they want to try talking about this one. So how do we do this one? So all the triangles plus together equals what? Equals 180. Minus 55 minus 70 equals what? Equals 180 minus 125 equals 55 degrees. Okay, so because you know this is 55, so you can know that, right? This is AI. Correct? Because it's it's an acute, and also it's an isosceles. Get it, potato cake? Blah, 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 blah. Right? Okay, so 5642 equals 98. So 180 minus 98 equals 82. So obviously it is a acute triangle, and also each of the line is different. So that's why it's scalene. So it's AS. Okay, very good. Ava, good job. Okay, very good. And Brandy, very good. Okay, and Potato King, good job. Okay, so let's take a look at number 11 and number 12. Okay, and number 13. So 1, 2, 3, 3 questions. Okay, think about it. Okay, there's a one thing I want to tell you before you calculate it. It's we have a line. Okay, so the line is 180. Okay, so if you have an angle here is 40, so the other one is 140. Understand? Okay, nobody sent me the answer yet. Okay, oh, even the fish. Fish 还是可以的啊。还没有人做好啊？OK，哎呀，要打屁股了啊
I did.
！Ready? Let's take a look at this 11 one, okay? So Ava, let me ask you. This little square means what?
A right angle, 90 degrees.
Yeah, that means 90 degrees. So altogether is 180. So 180 minus 39 equals, sorry, 180 minus 90 equals what? Equals 90, right?
180.
Yeah, so 90 minus 39 equals what? 51. So that's why this one equals 51. Get it? Because altogether, like this angle plus this angle plus this angle, so this x, I don't know, plus 90 plus 39 equals what? Equals 180. So x just 180 minus 90 minus 39. Correct, Evan? Okay, so this one's the same. So 180 minus 18 minus 21 equals this missing one. So it's 180 minus 39 equals 141. Okay, so let's take a look at number 13. Number 13, x is easy, okay? Equals 41 plus 115 equals what? These two plus together equals 156. So all I need to do is 180 minus 156 equals 24. So this is 24 degrees. So what is the next one? 180 minus 24 equals 156. So this is 156, this is 24. Understand, everybody? Okay, so there's a very important thing, okay? When you see this line, that means these two lines are the same, okay? Everybody look at your homework, okay? So these two angles will be the same. Okay, 这后面的题目有点难的 okay? And because these three lines are the same, so this one's all equals what? 60. Okay, so this will be your homework, and the homework will be what? I'm going to help you later on if you don't know how to do it, but I want you to try your best at the very beginning. 好吧，前面的时候小朋友自己做一下，14、15、16、17、18有点难的，小朋友试试看，好不好？然后我们 algebra 的题目应该都会做的，没问题，好不好 ，everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. And Ryan, please, Old MacDonald had a fun. I didn't forget it.
Uh-oh.
你以为你逃过了是不是？你以为你逃过不用给我们唱歌吗？One.
Um,
那你随便唱。Okay, sorry. Potato King, back to the ground again. Okay, So next year, we're gonna see more potatoes coming up. Everybody, that's it for today's class, and have a nice night. Bye-bye.
Bye.